Hello everyone. Good morning to all. This is Sunita Yadav, your science teacher. In today's class, we discuss chapter number 3. The chapter name is Fiber to Fabric. Okay. In previous class, we complete all the explanation, and in today's class, we discuss all the question answers. Okay. Now let us start question number 1. First question is multiple choice questions. Which one of the following is a synthetic fiber? Nylon, rayon, polyester, all of these. Answer is all of these. All are the example of synthetic fiber. Nylon, rayon, polyester. Okay. All are made up of chemicals. Second one is which is a natural fiber. Silk, nylon, rayon, all of these. Natural fiber is silk. Okay. Nylon and rayon both are the example of synthetic fiber. Our example is silk because why? Why silk? Because silk we get from silkworm. Silkworm is an example of animal. So silk is an example of animal fiber. That's why this is a natural fiber. Okay. The clothes are made up of a thinner and thinner strand called. सबसे thinner strand को हम क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? It's a fiber. सबसे smallest जो thread होगा, जो smallest fiber हमें cotton से, wool से सबसे smallest जो चीज मिलती है वो क्या है बेटा? Fiber. Fiber make a yarn and thread, and then we make a fabric. Okay. Now we move to question number 4. Separation of fibers of cotton from its seed is known as weaving, spinning, knitting, and ginning. So ginning is the process to separating seed from cotton fiber. Okay. Jute fiber are obtained from stem of jute plant, seeds of jute plant, fruit covering of jute plant, roots of the jute plant. The jute plant we get from a stem of the jute plant. Okay. And cotton fiber, where we get from cotton fiber? Fruit of the cotton plant. Okay. What we call the fruit of cotton plant? It's a cotton ball. Or just like that, jute fiber we get from a stem of the jute plant. Number of yarn used to make fabric by weaving and knitting are 2 set of yarns. In each case, each yarn in each case 2 set of yarn in weaving and single in knitting. Okay. So 2 set of yarns in weaving and single in knitting. But ये yarn है, YARNS. Okay. YARNS. Okay. Weaving of fabric is done in handloom, power loom, both A and B, and takli. तो हम weaving जो कर सकते हैं maybe A, B, C तीनों से है ना, both A and B. Okay. Our answer is C. Both A and B means handloom and power loom. Handloom क्या होता है? When we make a fabric with our hand. Or what is power loom? When we make a fabric with machines. Okay. And next one is, which one is spinning device? Spinning device is called a takli, loom, charkha, and A and B. So A and C. A and C, takli and charkha, we used in a spinning process. Okay. Match the following item given in column A and column B. हमें column A and column B को match करना है. Jute is obtained from, we very well known about this. कि jute is obtained from stem of the jute plant. Okay. Next one is fiber from rated jute are excreted by. Fiber from rated jute by excreted from. Our answer is hands with jerk and pulls. Separation of fiber from jute stem. Separation of fiber को jute stem से कैसे separate करते हैं? Through a retting process. Retting process क्या होता है बेटा? मैंने आपको बताया था ना, jute fiber को हम पहले पानी के अंदर काफी टाइम के लिए डब करते हैं, then hand से separate करते हैं, jute fiber separate हो जाता है. That process is called a retting. Okay. Compressed bundle of cotton. Cotton के bundles को compress करने के लिए हम कौन सा method use करते हैं? 1 second. Bundles of cotton, bales. Okay. And cotton is collected cotton plant by hand picking. Okay. Separation of cotton from seeds. Seeds से cotton को separate करने process. It's a ginning. Loose rope of cotton fiber. Silver. Okay. एक सेकंड बेटा, ये मैचअप्स में आपसे कल डिस्कशन करूंगी. ओके. इसमें थोड़ी मेरे को कुछ डाउट्स लग रहे हैं, गलत है. ठीक है. तो अपन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे मूव होते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ओके. Clothes are made up of a fibers. Clothes किससे बने हुए होते हैं बेटा? Fibers से. Different clothing material have a dash property. Different clothing material have a dash property, different property. Cotton plants need dash climate, warm climate. Cotton is planted in a spring season when dash soil is excellent for cultivation of cotton. It's a black soil. Which soil is perfectly and excellent to grow a cotton plant? It's a black soil. Okay. Dash usually cotton is picked from the plant hand. Separation of cotton fiber from their seed is called a ginning. A dash of cotton is a loose strand of cotton fiber, silver. Plant fibers are obtained from dash and dash, cotton plant and jute plant. Animal fibers are dash and dash, wool and silk. Wool and silk are the example of animal fiber. Okay. Now we move to a question number 4. State whether the following statement are true or false. Okay. First, yarn is made from fiber. True. Spinning is a process of making yarn. False. Jute is the outer covering of coconut. False. जूट इज द स्टेम ऑफ द प्लांट. जूट क्या होता है? स्टेम होता है प्लांट का. ठीक है. और स्पिनिंग क्या होती है? फाइबर टू यर्न मेकिंग में जो होती है वो स्पिनिंग होते हैं. और यर्न से फाइब्रिक बनने, फाइबर्स बनने का प्रोसेस जो होता है स्पिनिंग नहीं होता है. ओके. द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग सीड फ्रॉम कॉटन इज कॉल्ड अ गिनिंग. वीविंग ऑफ यर्न मेक अ पीस ऑफ फैब्रिक. जो वीविंग है यर्न की, मेक अ पीस ऑफ फैब्रिक. यस, ट्रू. वीविंग प्रोसेस से ही हम yarn से फैब्रिक मेक करते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज सिल्क फाइबर इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम द स्टेम ऑफ द प्लांट. नो, सिल्क फाइबर वी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम अ silkworm, not a plant. Okay. So silk is an example of animal fiber, not a plant fiber. Okay. That's why our answer is false. Next is polyester is a natural fiber. False. Polyester is a synthetic fiber. Okay. Polyester is a synthetic fiber because polyester made by some chemicals in factories. Okay. Now exercise question. Classify the following fiber as a natural and synthetic. आपको पता होगा natural and synthetic के according हम इनको divide करेंगे. First natural fiber mention किया, then synthetic fiber. Wool and silk are the animal fiber, are the natural fiber, and cotton and jute are the plant fiber. So both are the example of a natural fiber. So wool, cotton, jute and silk are the example of natural fiber. Okay. Now here is polyester and nylon. Here is nylon. Nylon and polyester are the example of synthetic fiber because it is made up in a factories with chemical. Okay. Now we move to a second question. From which part of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? Cotton with cotton balls and jute we get from a stem. What is cotton ball? Cotton plant का जो fruit है, it is a cotton balls. Okay. Name two items that are made from cotton fiber. कोकोनट फाइबर. ओके. तो क्या कोकोनट का जो फाइबर होता है उसको हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? रॉक्स बनाने में, मैट्स बनाने में. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. एक्सप्लेन द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग yarn फ्रॉम फाइबर. Yarns are made up of a thin strand called fiber. Yarns जो है thin strand से मिलके बने होते हैं. It is called a fibers. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. Fiber से yarn बनने का process क्या है बेटा? What is called? This is a spinning. In this process, a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? Cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This bring the fibers together to form a yarn. जो fibers हैं उनको आपस में twist किया जाता है and pull किया जाता है. Then it turn into a yarn. Okay. Now next one is the extra questions. Explain how jute is obtained from the jute plant. The jute plant is normally harvested at flowering stage. The stage of harvested plant are bundles and immersed in water. सबसे first हमें क्या करना है? jute plant में जो flowering stage होगी, then we cut this plant and put it make it the bundles and immerse means dip into the water. Immerse means dip into the water. How many days? 10 to 15 days. Okay. Then after it's the stamps rot. The process is called rating. मतलब 10 to 15 days के लिए हम जो stamp को क्या करने के लिए, rot होने के लिए लीव कर देते हैं. Then this process is called rating and fibers separated by hand. जो fibers हैं we separated by hands. The fibers are converted into yarn to make fabric. This one is jute plant. Okay. Now we move to describe the process of spinning and weaving. Answer: spinning. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. Yarn से fiber बनने का जो process है, it's spinning. In this process, fiber from a mass of cotton, wool, and drawn out of the twisted by this fibers come together to form a yarn. And spinning can be done by hand and tuckly and charkha. On a large scale, spinning is done with the help of a machine. तो आई थिंक आप लोगों को इतना क्लियर हो रहा होगा कि डेफिनेशंस कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है ना. व्हाट इज नेचुरल फाइबर, व्हाट इज सिंथेटिक फाइबर, व्हाट इज गिनिंग, व्हाट इज स्पिनिंग, व्हाट इज वीविंग. ओके, तो आप देख रहे हो ये डेफिनेशंस बार बार आपके क्वेश्चंस में भी आ रही है. तो यू लर्न वंस टाइम, इट रिपीट अगेन अगेन अगेन. ओके, तो ये डेफिनेशंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके इस चैप्टर के अंदर. ओके, तो वीविंग, द प्रोसेस ऑफ अरेंजिंग टू सेट ऑफ yarn. वीविंग प्रोसेस में क्या करते हैं, टू सेट ऑफ yarn को हम अरेंज करेंगे, एक को हॉरिजॉन्टली और एक को वर्टिकली. ओके, एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ वीविंग कैन बी डन ऑन लूम्स. ये जो प्रोसेस है लूम्स के थ्रू किया जाता है, इधर विद योर हैंड, इट्स कॉल्ड अ हैंडलूम. एंड व्हेन वी this process is done by the machine is called a power operated या power looms. Okay class, that's all about this chapter. I think you all are understood all each and every question. You do this work in your notebook, neat and clean handwriting with closing line. Use a different pen, write the question with the black pen, write answer with the blue pen. Please date mention chapter name, chapter number, all things are there. Okay, then after you do it and send it to me in a PDF form. Okay.